All right, now we have the markets up, and the markets are gaining back half of what was taken away yesterday. And a lot of that is just a simple market rebound, and some of it is from a few company earnings this morning. And we had the heavy machinery maker Caterpillar report their earnings this morning. And actually, sales came in light, but they beat on profits. Now, that beat on profit was due simply to the company buying back shares in the last quarter. And we also had the bid maker Tempur-Pedic, and this tells the real story. Sales are down, and that is because of a tepid consumer. And across the board for many of these companies, we're seeing sales that are falling. Now, some of these companies can make up and make their earnings look good by having past buybacks and bring operating costs down. But the bottom line remains the U.S. consumer is spending less. Now, it's great that the markets are up, but the problem still exists. Layoffs continue. And as long as the layoffs continue, it's not going to matter what this market does. You're going to have more people out of work, and you're going to have less spending. Now, the numbers of some of these layoffs are getting bigger, at least bigger than they were a month or two ago. Now, the small factories and plants, they're still closing up. Those 200 and 300 person layoffs, they're still occurring. But now, in the mix, we're starting to see some of these bigger name companies lay off thousands. And in the end, America is going to be in a world of hurt. Now, we're also seeing a lot of store closures happen across the country, and many local officials, they're getting worried. In some of these small areas, they're seeing 20 and 30% of businesses close up. And a lot of these locals, mayors, town councilmen, they're scratching their heads, wondering where tax revenue is going to come from. So the problems still remain. In some aspects, the can has been kicked down the road, and with the markets up, much of the public is feeling jubilation, but the problems still exist. Now, there's no economic data today, so not much to speak of there. And we have a few big name companies reporting their earnings this evening, and we'll see how that fares. The commodity market is mixed, nothing big to talk about there. Now, this market's green is probably going to close green, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.